Hello guys, this is Forex Teacher, your number one Forex trader. So they don't call me number one Forex trader for nothing. So if you want to make sure that you're on the right path, let's start by looking at the signals that we sent today. We generated 500 pips in just one day. And if we look at the last trading day that we had, which was a day before yesterday, I also sent some few signals. We generated 780 pips, which is more than 1.3 pips in just 2 trading days. So first of all, what I want to show you guys is that there's this trade that you see right now running on the screen. This is a gold US dollar trade. I'm also going to show you guys how to analyze the market and how you can get these sniper entries. So please watch this video to the end. After I show you the transparency of my channel and of my signals and what I do, I'm going to share with you the analysis so that you can do this by yourself. And if you guys also want to get my trading system, there are 2 ways that you can trade. So I'm going to show you with my trading system, and then I will show you a free strategy, free Forex strategy that you don't need my trading system. So this is the signal that we send in the Telegram channel. Right now, you can see the trade is actually running in profit. It actually reached 162 pips, but now it has come back to around 100 something. All right, so I took a screenshot earlier on before I started recording, when I was preparing to record this video. So I'm going to post that screenshot. It was around 145 pips in profit. So this is the signal that we send in our Telegram channel, right? This was a sell XAU USD. So XAU USD is actually a symbol for gold USD. So it was a sell. If you go to our chart, I can show you the entry before I go on to post in our. So let me just put a. Let me just draw a line. Right. So with the MetaTrader 4 or 5, you can just put a vertical or horizontal line, and then you put this is a value, right? So the value for this one, it was 2451. I don't know if it's the correct one, this one. Let me just cross check. 51.41. All right. So I just need to add a 1. If I click OK, it's going to go at the entry price. All right. So this is okay. You can see this is when we enter the trade, right here. Was the first trade, this trade is actually running, we entered right here, and then the other one we entered right here, and the take profit was hit, which was somewhere around here. I think it was 110 pips. All right, so I just want to take this opportunity and update this signal in my Telegram channel as well. So I'm going to quickly try and this is the one. All right, so before I can do this, I'm lazy to type. Let me just try to see if there's anything I can use. All right. So if you guys are interested in learning how to trade, you want a one-on-one, you can read this message here in my Telegram channel, how to access the one-on-one coaching. So I'm going to simply put like this. I'll just edit right here. I think it was 145 pips running in profit. So this one even reached 160 pips, but since the screenshot will be showing 145, I decided let me just put 145 because I don't have a shortage of pips. All right, so let's just update this one as well. Okay, let's see if it was updated properly, or maybe let me send it to the other channel, which is this one, so that it comes back there. All right. All right, so now you can see, let me just remove this one. Okay, so this trading signal was actually sent right around here, around 20 past 4. in my time zone. So you can also see that I updated this signal when it was running 80 pips in profit. So now I'm just telling the guys that it's running 145 pips in profit, and also take profit number one was it. So this is the screenshot that you see right here when I first took the screenshot right here. All right, so if you go back today also, since I said we had 500 pips in profit, I want to show you the other signal. So if you go back, this one was actually not sent in the free Forex Telegram channel, Forex signal. It was not sent, this one, in our Telegram channel, but this one I placed it on my funded account. So I wanted to make sure that they won't say I'm managing people's accounts, or maybe I'm copy trading. These guys they are funny sometimes. So I took this one on my funded account challenge. That's why I didn't send it here, because I don't want my account to be banned for nothing. So this was running 190 pips in profit. You can see this was the target that I had up here, and the take profit number one was hit somewhere here. This was the entry. This was also the stop loss. So I can also go and show you on the chart the price when we ended right here was 37.31.14. This was gold Australian dollar. I think it should be here. So let's quickly put a line. We want to see when we enter the trade right there. So let's just check again, just to cross check. The entry price was 37.31.14. 31.14. So if I put okay, it's going to show you when we enter the trade right here. So this was a buy signal. You can see it was running from here. It was, I think when I updated, it was somewhere around 190 pips. It was around here. All right, but you can see it kept on going. It reached even 280 pips in profit. All right, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to analyze the Forex currency pairs. So this out of the way, let's quickly go back to our signal, to our Telegram chat. Let's quickly go back to our Telegram channel. So this was sent also in the Telegram channel for free. This was a free Forex signal. You can see it was updated also. It was running 190 pips. All right. When we told you guys to close the trade, you can see here, close the TP2 manually, 190 pips in profit. So there is no gimmicks here. You can see the signal was also sent on the chart right here. I also took the screenshot. This was when it was running 125 pips in profit, and take profit number one was it. So if you keep on going back, you can see this was when it was running 77 pips. I don't want to waste time showing you this, because it's just legit anyway. You can see this was a signal. You can also go to your chart and also try to figure out if the signal was sent there. So what I see here is like this time, it's my time zone, right? On Telegram, it's the same as my time zone. But if you go to MetaTrader, it's actually 1 hour ahead. The server that we are using there, it's 1 hour ahead. So yesterday we didn't send any signals. It was 31 August, which is why I want to teach you how to trade by yourself. So I only send some few trades by, this was our for volatility. It was actually volatility 25 1S index. So you can see this is when we enter the trade. We send the screenshot. We send everyone the parameters. You can see this was, the price was still here, and then the next one, it was right here. Take profit number one was hit. You can also go and see take profit number two was closed right here. I told the guys to close. All right, so you can see when the price went down here, it came back, almost hit our stop loss with the second trade, and then it continued to go down. It closed right here. All right, you can even see it right here in the, and they also check the values right here, which is the same values that I send in the signal right here. All right, so a day before yesterday, which was 30 July, I also made some couple of pips. I think I made 700 pips. You can see it right here. Right, this was 786 pips in just one day. All right, you can see there was a gold euro trade, which was 190 pips, gold Australian dollar 83 pips, and then 25 pips, 270 pips, and then there was also one losing trade of 55 pips. So if you go back to scroll, you can see this was a signal. This was sent live and also updated live. I told everyone to close manually when it was 190 pips. This is the gold euro trade. And if you go back also, the gold euro, I updated the first time it was 80 pips, about to hit the take profit number 1. And I also updated when it was 51 pips. And this was the signal. If you go to your chart, you can see that it exists. And this was a winning trade. All right. So if you go back again, this was the gold Australian dollar. So this is the one that we updated as 83 pips. If you check right here, right, you can see everything is very transparent, right? This is the 25 pips one. It was also updated. We can go back. This was another good signal right here. So this one hit 270 pips in profit. Take profit number 1 was hit here, and we kept on holding up until it reached that side there. I told everyone to close it manually when it was running 270 pips in profit. So as for this one, it actually continued to go. I think it reached about almost 1,000 pips in 2 days, including the day when I was not trading. It kept on going up. So I also updated when it was running 165 pips right here. I also updated here when it was 130 pips, 100 pips. Also 63 pips, and this was the signal right here. So the stop losses, we also don't hide our stop loss. This was the stop loss right here. This was the trade. This was on 30 July. So I just wanted to show you that just for transparency, so that I can now start showing you how to trade and how you can be very, very profitable. So even if you keep on scrolling back, you're going to see a lot of very good signals. This was also a signal that was sent. This was 100 pips. This was on 26 July. This was, I think, Friday? Yes. So you can see also this guy was following the signals. So I don't want to make this video very long. You can see all the signals that were sent. You can see this was on 25 July, we generated 187 pips. So you see how easy it is for me to actually make pips. So first of all, now let's quickly go so that we show you guys how to analyze the market and how you can do the same thing in real time and make money. Don't wait for me, guys, to send signals. Those free Forex signals, I only send them when I'm free. All right. But if you want one-on-one coaching so that you know exactly how to trade, I'm going to show you how. So if you guys, let me start by showing you maybe with my trading system, boss. It's very, very easy to show you the signal. If you go to gold USD, I sent 2 signals. The first one, the last one, okay, this is my trading system, right? This is the last one. I think there was another one before that, which is this one right here. All right. So I want to share with you the reason why I placed this trade. If you go to a higher time frame, or let's start by using my system. Right here, you can see this was a sell signal, right? So my trading system is very simple to use. What it does, it generates a green box for you to buy, right? And a red box for you to sell. So in this case, this was a sell trade right around 430, 432, somewhere here. So if you had my trading system, you're going to place your sell. So what you do, you place your sell in the red box anyway within this red box, the first one. The stop loss should be above this opposite the signal, which was the green. So it has to be above this green or above the previous high, right? So in this case, you're going to place your sell right here. You put your stop loss above here, which is almost even if it was above here, it was around 41 pips. And there was a potential you can see it dropped, it reached around 170 pips before turning back. So you're going to get 170 pips right here. You're also going to have another buy signal right here in this green box, and then you put your stop loss just below here. You can see it went up about 77 pips, right? So you can also see another signal. Let's just quickly try and show you guys. I don't know why my computer is freezing so much when it is about 64 gig RAM. So this was another sell signal right here. Your stop loss above right here, you can see it was never hit, right? Was this one reached about 29 pips, but your stop loss was going to be above here around 30. So you can see it dropped. Also it reached around 150 pips. All right, so this is how easy I trade. All right, so you can also go on. This was another signal right here. All right, today this was another buy signal right here. You put your stop loss below here. You can see it went up all the way. This is 192, 200 pips right here, and then this was going to be a losing signal right here. This is another signal right here. So I don't want to waste time showing you this. Let's quickly go to the analysis. If you don't have my trading system but you also want to trade, let's quickly go here. So like I said, if you check here right now at the bottom corner right here, it's going for 10 o'clock. So if you come here, you can see that it's saying 10 o'clock, right? So it's actually it's going for from 10 to 11, right? So this signal was sent somewhere around 4 to 5 on the, if you go right, okay, that was the first signal, which was sent around 4 to 5, somewhere there, right? So I expected that it was right here. This was the 4 to 5 candle, right? Which means starting from 5 to 6 right here, this is when I should have ended the trade right here. So what you see, if you are looking at a bigger time frame, you can see there was a huge rejection right here, right? So most of the time when you get this huge rejection like this, you can see how many pips is this from up here to here. That's about 67 pips. A rejection. It shows that there is a huge massive order right here, which was filled right here, which pushed the market to go down. So what we need to do is to try and find the best possible entry, right? So first of all, you know that the market, even when it's going up, you can also have chances of taking trades going down, right? Because even this one, we knew that after going up for so long, if you go even to your Fibonacci levels right here, I want to show you where it starts pushing up. I don't know if it was this one, right? Yeah, that's the exact one. So if you go to these Fibonacci levels, you can see you are expecting that when the price reaches these yellow lines here, there's supposed to be some sort of resistance, right? It comes back down right here, right? That is why I was targeting take profit number 1 before it reaches here, because I knew that it might reach here and go back up, right, and continue to go up. But this rejection is also giving me an allowance that it might keep on pushing as long as it doesn't break this final level here, the 61.8, which means the trend might continue to go up. But it also gives me an idea of where to place the take profit if I'm going to take a sell against the trend. So that is why you see most of the time, if I say collect your profit there, it usually turns right at the spot and then goes where I want it to go. So here we are going to switch from a higher time frame. I want to show you when this candle starts, what I was looking for, right? This was a 5 to 6 candle. So I'm going to switch to, this was gold USD. It should be here. All right. This was gold USD. So I needed to remove this. Oops. Okay, so I just wanted to remove this. So I'm looking for Let's see. All right, this is the trade right here. So I want to show you exactly, if I zoom it out, what I was looking at. All right, so this is on M5, right? Let's remove the auto scroll so that you guys can see. Okay. All right. So what really happens here, if you are looking at this chart, you can see that the price dropped from here, which we already saw on that higher time frame. So what we needed was to find a way to analyze to see if there's any sort of like a breakout like here, right? So you can see this was touch number 1, touch 2, 3. It break through right here, right? So I waited for the price to go down a little bit and come back here, and then it retraced. It didn't reach here, but even if it reached here, the stop loss was good enough. It was up above here. So I expected that it's not going to go above this one right here. That's why I put this. I was expecting that this should be the entry around here, right? That there's going to be resistance on this one, and then we enter the trade, right? So if you are looking here on the, you can see that this was a bullish candle. It just reversed, it went up here, it dropped, and then we enter the sell right here, and then it started dropping. I think within 15 minutes, it hit the take profit number 1. That is why I was also saying in the group that within 15 minutes, I don't know if it's this signal or it's the other one. Within 15 minutes that the take profit number 1 was hit already. Yeah, that's the same one here. All right. So this is how I enter these trades. So if you go to even a lower time frame, you can even see it much clearly. Like, all right, you can see it even much clearly. So here you can see that it break below, it tried to retrace, it couldn't go above, it went down, it creates this lower high, it created a lower low, lower high, lower low. It came back here, it didn't break this lower high, it just retest it, and then it quickly drops. So when it drops here, I knew that now this is the time which it's reacting to this level that I was showing you earlier on around this side here, right? I knew that it's now reacting to that level. So that's the time to enter, you put your stop loss. So it doesn't matter even if you are wrong, because you are not going to win all the times, right? So in some cases, you may need to just close with a loss. So this is how it is, guys. If you want to trade Forex like a pro, you need to analyze like a pro. So this is very easy, right? So you can see how good these trades are. So if you go back, I also started showing my signals just to record them on Instagram, so that both Telegram people, they say you can actually edit and all that. But these are screenshots. You can't edit a screenshot, right? These are screenshots, and also the signals we send live in the group. You can see all the signals we send live and updated in the group, right? So if you look at the signals that I send you for free, these are all free signals. So imagine if you place the trades, let's say this trading week, I think it was from when? From 29 to 1. I want to see my signals from 29 to 1. I don't think I was trading on 29 though. Yeah, I did not send any signal on 29, which is why I want you guys to know how to trade by yourself, so that you don't have to wait for me. Because if I'm busy, or if I'm just tired, or maybe if I'm trading my funded accounts, I won't be sending signals here. But if you check here on 30, we send some good signals, which gave us I think 786 pips, right? So if you get that 786 plus the 525 for today, it gives you 1,300 pips. So if you were trading using a 0.1 lot, this is simply $1,300 that I gave you for free. If you're trading with a 1 lot, this is simply a 13,000 that I gave you for free. If you're trading with a 10 lots, it's even way too much, man. So Let us not waste much of your time, guys. I just want to close this trade. I'll just analyze and see if it's going to keep on going down, or maybe the direction has changed. But I still have it might be starting to change the direction now.